Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make your Wix website multilingual. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This is a great way to reach a bigger audience and engage with visitors from different linguistic backgrounds. Let's dive in and get started. First, we're going to begin by adding an essential app to your site. On the left side of your editor, you'll see a button labeled Add Apps. Go ahead and click on that to open the Apps Market. In the search box at the top, type Wix Multilingual. This powerful tool is designed to seamlessly integrate multiple languages into your website, ensuring visitors can easily engage in their preferred language. Once you've typed in Wix Multilingual, you'll see it pop up in the search results. Select it by clicking on it, and this will take you to a page where you can explore more about what the app offers. When you're ready, click Add to Site. This action installs the tool into your website environment, which is crucial for managing multiple languages effectively. Next, let's configure the multilingual settings for your site. Look towards the top of your editor page and click on Settings. From the drop-down menu, select Multilingual. You'll be greeted by a handy setup wizard designed to make the multilingual experience as smooth as possible. Click Get Started to begin with the configuration. One of the first things you'll need to do is confirm your site's main language. This is the default language that visitors will see when they first arrive at your site. Ensure you're satisfied with your choice because changing it later on isn't possible. If necessary, you can adjust it at this stage. Now, you'll want to select a flag icon that represents the language on your website. This icon will serve as a visual cue for visitors to recognize and switch between available languages. Choose the flag that aligns best with the language you have selected. Finally, it's time to add your secondary language. This step is crucial as it broadens the scope of your website's communication reach. By adding a secondary language, you make it easier for visitors who speak another language to benefit fully from your content and services. And that's it. By following these steps, you should now have a multilingual Wix website. Taking your site from monolingual to multilingual not only enhances accessibility, but also opens doors to a wider global audience. And that's it. So that's basically how you can make your Wix website multilingual. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.